Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and if you think that your iPhone has a virus, how to remove it. Then watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open setting application on your iPhone. Here is now a scroll down and find out Safari. Here simply tap on it, you can see appears on screen. And now guys, scroll down and find out clear history and website data. Here you can see, simply tap on it and now tap on all history, you can see, and now clear history. So guys, mobile is Android or iPhone, virus always came to browser, so clearing the history. So I hope virus will remove by clearing the history. So guys, simply close this window and reopen setting application and tap on Apple ID name, and here is simply tap on iCloud and now iCloud iDrive. Tap on manage storage. Here is tap on it, and guys, sometimes you accidentally download a file and it gets synced to iCloud drive. So what you have to do, simply delete it from iCloud. Here simply tap on it and simply tap on delete. Now tap on delete permanently. Here is now guys, simply close this window and reopen the setting application. Here you can see, and now tap on Apple ID name and now tap on iCloud. Now tap on iCloud backup and now simply take a backup of your iPhone data. You take some more time for taking a backup. After taking a backup, you will see the next solution. Simply close this window after backing and now tap on setting again, and now guys, simply scroll down and tap on general. Now scroll down, tap on transport reset iPhone. Here guys, simply tap on erase all content and setting. So guys, reset all content and setting on your iPhone. It will tell you inside your iPhone, even after setting, if there is any virus left, it will be deleted permanently. There is no problem, your data does not go anywhere. Just take a backup after turning on your iPhone. You can taking a backup on your Apple ID on this iPhone. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.